Hey guys, techmadeezy, and thank you so much for clicking on our video. Guess what? Your eyes don't deceive you. It's August, it's 95 degrees, and we just got the Ego multi-head snow shovel attachment. This thing can throw snow up to 25 feet. Now this is the tool only, and they also make it in a kit. But why don't we get started and we'll unbox this. Hi, it's Al from techmadeezy with a real quick message. I just want to let you know the video you're about to watch is not sponsored. We went out and bought the products ourselves. So, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps. Share our video. And lastly, we hope you subscribe to our channel and become a part of the family. Thank you. And let's get ready for our super quick unboxing. And there it goes. And it plugs right into the multi-head system, and we'll show you that, okay? But if you look at Brooklyn and you look at the size of this thing has a 12-inch width, okay? This thing can throw snow up to 25 feet. And you can even change the angle, which is pretty cool. We'll take a close look underneath in a minute. But you know something? Ego has had, pretty good launching lately. For everyone that has all of these batteries, right? Finally, we've got an 18-inch misting fan, right, that you can roll around on wheels and honestly can last a very long time because this thing can hold the largest of batteries, which is really cool, right? And I love the misting feature. And then you've got this 10,000 lumen portable light that they made. And again, you put a battery on this, you put it on a low or a medium setting. I mean, I'm telling you, it lasts. We did reviews on this and we did reviews on this. If you want to check those out, we'll put some links towards the end of the video. But let's take a close look at this for now. And let me show you the multi-head system, by the way. So the multi-head system is this guy here. All right. So it's basically the power head. You put the battery on, and it basically just connects to a lot of the multi-head tools. Locks in place, and then you've got this to close it up and put it in there. But this basically just goes right on top. And if you look at the top of the multi-head, you'll see here that there's a specific way to put it in. It'll lock in place on here, and that's how it powers it. So pretty cool stuff. Let's take a close look at the snow shovel. So here's the snow shovel. And I'll just lift it so you can kind of get a good look at underneath. Obviously this is plastic, right? So you don't want to get any rocks involved when you're snow blowing, okay? With your snow shovel. These are plastic also, all right? And as you can see, what you can do is you can actually just move these guys and angle it however you like. All right, so depending on where you want to blow the snow. So that was kind of cool that they did that. All right, and here, obviously are your mechanism that's going to throw that snow through here. Let's take a look at the left side of the snow shovel, and we see some Ego branding here, Power Plus. The back, obviously hands and feet away, so you want to be careful as it takes the snow in. And then on the other side here. Okay, so pretty simple system. All right, and here's the hole. You can see what they had to do to put power through here. And we'll connect the multi-head real quick so you can see what that looks like. So when you're using the multi-head and you're connecting it, as you can see here, there's a hole here, right? And the reason why there's a hole there is because when you get this in deep enough, I want you to see there's a mechanism that when you push this button, it will loosen it and lock it, okay? So look down there, and you'll see that little there. And when basically when you're pushing this in, you'll see that basically when you push it in will allow the pole to go all the way in and let go and lock in place, and then you tighten it with this. All right, so this arrow should be aligned with this arrow. All right, so let me go ahead and push this in slowly. Now, it won't slide on too easy because I've used this tool before, and so even though this is loose, this is a little tighter than normal. All right, but give me a moment here and I will wiggle this on. Okay, just kind of make sure that I've got this locked into place. So now you can see, after pushing it in and it just takes a little bit. You want it to be this close. All right, so that is correct as far as that's concerned. All right, it is locked in place, and it'll move a little bit side to side, but it won't come out. Now, all you need to do is tighten this up. Now, when you're out there, snow blowing, right? Or snow shoveling in this case, you don't want to go back inside for another battery, right? So in order not to do that, you can use the backpack link. We did a review on this, and what happens is the backpack link attaches to the top, all right? It's a real light accessory, so you're not going to have the weight of a battery. And then you take a 10 amp hour battery and you throw that on your back. And that will make your life super, super easy. All right, so I just wanted to show you that. Let's start this up and see how it sounds. Okay, so it's all set up. Why don't we go ahead and see how this thing sounds? And by the way, if you have the multi-head, you've actually got 2 speed settings, which is cool. So let's just start this up for a minute, pull the trigger, and just listen. Now let me lower it to 1. So you could hear that sound, and you could hear the power. So this will be pretty interesting. Oh boy, I can't wait to try this in the snow. All right, so I'm going to cover some key specs real quick, and then I'm going to also cover where we got this from. We're going to put some links in the description also for now, okay? So this is the tool only, and it is SSA1200. That's the model number. It sells for $219 with the kit only. Again, a lot of this stuff is unofficial because it's not on the Eagle website, so just be aware. The kit actually comes with a 4 amp hour battery and a 320 watt charger. So that's the updated slow charger. That is MSS1203. It's $399. Now, this has a 1 foot clearing surface, as you could see from the front there. It'll throw snow up to 25 feet, which is nice. They say this will clear a 4-car driveway with up to 6 inches of snow with the recommended 4 amp hour battery. Okay. Obviously the handle, this is an adjustable handle, so you can actually adjust the angle. This is weather rated at IPX4, and we'll put up what that means right down here on the bottom, IPX4. And this has a 5-year warranty, which is nice. Now, again, we got this online. We had to buy it online. Again, this is not sponsored. Cutler's sells this. The website is powerplusparts.com. The other site we saw it on for pre-order is RCPW. All right, they say pre-order, ships when it's in stock. All right, guys. Hey, I hope this information was helpful. We'll definitely test it when it snows. Brooklyn is hanging out with me here. Give us a thumbs up if you could. We'd really appreciate that. And definitely looking for some testing with this. All right, post a comment if you got one. Post a comment if you have a question. And we sure hope you subscribe and become a member of the family if you're not already. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Hey guys, take a moment and give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. As you can see, Brooklyn, she's waving her tail for you. Take a moment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell and you'll get notified of new videos we come out with. Also, follow us and contact us on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. We'd love to have you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.